pack your bags, put in your clothes and your belongings, because you can't stay as Prime Minister of Jamaica, because the international reputation of Jamaica is important, and you have, by allowing these allegations, brought Jamaica into disrepute.
When you hear that, my viewers, PNP I make bro God knows him for pack him bag and lift up from Boya. Them a say, the people them tired of him now. Time come. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about, plus two brother lose them life at Portland, and Birdwing Mara get splash out after the man them tell him say him no fi come back in a bad man place. So before me jump in at the reasoning and me gonna know what I go on, pre this.
He's one of the illicit 6, now the illicit 8, and he has known this for well over a year. Yet Mr. Holness misled the country by withholding the truth about this investigation. In statements that he made both in and outside Parliament over this period, even telling Jamaica that he had asked far and wide, and none of his MPs were under investigation for illicit enrichment. This extended withholding of the truth, this fundamentally dishonest deception of the people of Jamaica, obliterates any trust and confidence in the Prime Minister. Jamaica has a Prime Minister who remains under investigation for the serious corruption offense of illicit enrichment, and whose annual statutory declarations for 2021 onwards still cannot be certified by the country's Integrity Commission as required by law. This is a serious blot on the country's image, both locally and internationally. It is untenable for our Prime Minister not to be in good standing with the country's Integrity Commission. We cannot go on like this. The Prime Minister must step aside now or call fresh elections so that the people have the chance to elect a new government that can take our country out of this mess.
When you hear it, them viewers, it's a political war. We see a go on boy, between PNP and JLP. You just hear with the opposition leader for PNP I say, Marky G I say, the residents them of Jamaica lose trust and confidence in a bro God. My viewers, Anju can't win that one here, Cause Marky plucked the biggest card in the deck, Cartel, Before Cartel, Marky did probably have 50% of the people them. Now, him get the stimulus package. Cartel, him have 80% of the people them now. Probably 85%. Cause you don't know the people them stay. Boy, yeah. So my viewers, what is the plan? Everybody has a time come. Everybody has a bro God for pack him bag. Lift up, left from Boya. But what is the plan? What the plan Marky G have for the residents them of Jamaica? Better livity, health care, what? Bread price I go drop to $200, $150 go be for a pound of oxtail, or I just be empty promises. That mood I like for know, Say as what I say, everybody a walk as a time come. People, we can't do it without them. We been a do it without them. Raise our hands to all of the people them we politician a feed boy. Me no see no hand up in the ear. So them nah feed nobody, me a tell you no. Cap them a cap. So as what I say, PNP or GLP nah do nothing for me. So me no really care what them want talk say. Them just a go and trick the mass. Empty promises, me a tell you no. So see it there. You must say, bro God for lift up, Time come. Some of viewers walk with me now. We are go to Portland. Or we see two brother lose them life, me a tell you no. 19-year-old fly come boy to spend some time with him family them. Take up themselves to them a go river. And see them of viewers. Him and him 31-year-old brother. When them find them hook up together. My people, I don't know how the family them feel right now. 2 2 of them one time. You have to go plan funeral for 2 brother one time. You don't know how them feel right now. How what kind of judgment them drop on we, boy? Yeah? Make every day so. We can't get a break, boy. Yeah? So my people, walk with me. We are going to Central Village now. We see bird wing. Never take the warning from the shot of them. After the man them make him know say him for left his place. Nothing forward back. And him still go make the walk. And the man them go buck him. Full up him head a 9 ball, me I tell you in a brawling sonat. Flat pan him back. See them a people. Certain things now have no end boy, you know. And when we see a go on boy, the youth them not care who you are or who you be. From them say you forget it. Them a pull up and make you have it. In the wickedest way, me I tell you no. Cause when I say, if that brother you know say the man them done make him know already, say anyway them see him, I'd murder settings. And him still go make the man them see him. So see them people. Some would have say him go give him 3 points. Him a play brave, say him not afraid of no man. So see them viewers. Never ending cycle, me I tell you no. So no just stay safe out there, you know. Protect phone or tree. Until next time. You see, pray. Alright.